Hello, 101.5 FM.
Supreme Court case na ekoyi. Me pacho ni demu a ekoyi pa. Ekoyi pa. De di kan ma memfa akonya ese na menchia eye etiefo. Na menchia yewra otumfo se tumira ibu mu ase. Na menchia santeman Ghana na NDC fo nyinara. Na menton krama eye me regional executive constituency and then branch executive chi obiara. Maka chi obiara so obi anya rehemu se anamonto a yetu no edinkunimdie bebre eye NDC. Efise yenim se Ghana mra no emakwan se bibi ni na onti ase a kwan a ese de fa so. Na me kakra mbese mekanise se wo hwe eye court case ya ediko yi ya. Edian kra na ma ye court. Me pese me ye summary kakra because since the work court na be difficult say ja obi nsemu pi. But me summary ka edian kra nti na me court. Ye court say ye ma meje mensa woni enni adenti if you say you say results or did declare ye na adodan kwa Akufo Addo no to be frank with you utim hu say NDC yes ye bonyo so if you say the odi kind did declare no I say ye bo enyo so no ono asa by ebideleti efri ho wo deleti flow na ye expect at least obesan babak na wa be ye declaration for flow be ye hu bibi sa at the same time so ye say hu say one normally Ghana constitution nature says you as agent na so okọ na ye to aba se bibi ni na se cost na se enkoyi a the presiding officer no e be take decision so oye in consultation with the agent and sana bibi na wetimi aye unless say e bia agent no se onye no na mraman ho kwan but ye hu se ye ma meje mensa ene ye agent for no edi nkumo biara ema no say President Akufo Addo na ewi nti say ye ntiase na ohwe Ghana mran so a by virtue of article 23 no ema obi aho kwan se BBC na say bia obo enu so ana say de ekọ ompa emra ma ho kwan ma we take action because article 23 ne ka kire any administrative body ana say administrative official biara obedi say adwumadie no emra ne hye ne say wonye fair na woye fair wi a say at least or comply emra ye de ahyehye ato ho say abato ye nya no it is a wo as contestant and as a wo e kan no so wo hwe se enkoyi a emra no article 23 no ma ho kwan say wo de be court na wakwa address wo issues na wo hu say the ekọ no say na ekọ nti yetu sa na mo no in fact na eye papa ema Ghana fo nyina abo yaba so ye kọ ye no nso no ye hu say enoma bi wo ho na be ma yensem aye kama na edi enoma na betimi ama yensem aye kama de betimi ama yensem aye kama ne say ne wo enoma bi a ese isi no ye ne kan ebusa no enoma bi efa eye nsembusa bi broni be kasa questions Yeah. dia ne pese ebusa no but court no ma eti asese o makwan emen nye sa dwumadie no enti ye ntimi na ehọ no mo no yenso ya ka kire ko nti ma ohwe tam ese ye submit ye witness statement no a delay ma court ka say adentina wa order yen si yen file ye witness statement ayanye ye ma court nso ti ase se ye ne no wonsem kan bi eye application a ya file se be yanko obedi atum na nko gitum a na at the end of the day no ye timi agina eno so na ya file eye witness statement enu ti na ye ntimi amfamba court no ka kire se emra no ema no kwan se ya mfale eye witness statement a obetimi a invoke anaso obetimi a dismiss ya petition e de ba into immediately NDC di mra so ya submit present your witness statement and from there no ye nyina ye hu se yewra General Mosquito ebetna ase ema court bisa nsem ema the first and then the second respondent omo cancel ebusebusa na no nsem ni ade ema edu mpembe so ka kire yebusa no onze lawyer for no omo ye very omo ye nipa bia one ye very careful obepia akosha asem na me ka magana for native tamwa yewra Johnson Esedin Ketia, eto ho no mu a, ye busa no ano so wonkasa ma President Mahama. No nipa bi ante ase. Onkasa ma President Mahama. He was there as a witness. Now, since we were on as a witness, no,
or as a witness for the petitioner now.
On the petitioner.
Okay.
But so we were as a witness for the petitioner. And not just say a petitioner be do ye be a who ya be make am answer. The wo ho no mo hu ye no. And then I'll be di adanse amane say we dey me hu. Enti nye nsem ni na and I'll be make on behalf of the petitioner.
Okay.
And not in a petitioner no one the council, a lead councillor, Chacho Chikata Ujinem. E man to here. Sir, witness no all man, even from the petitioners council, no cross with me of Busano, and said, this will can't say, or feel said your cano, ne client no long power to send BB. Emma, the other ye council also from the first and then the second respondents, also a me, a busa. Et ye yama, general mosquito really, in fact, echo ye, a chain pefe say, BB will hunt more. Yawo arehemu say Ghana mra ebe yaduma ama nkunindie aye ye nyina ye dia na efiri hanom say say move yi by the second witness enra eye Dr. White
Professor White
yes Professor White okọ ya toto na no na nkoma odi ye nsem okan no me as a member of the NDC am kasama NDC no me wa arehemu pa say ye wo case
okay
ye wo case pa and I hope say senyame ya adom ne atunkomo a before say time besu say ye ma judgment mo arehye mu say NDC case kama bibiara ebeko de amayen because osha o kan sem bebre o say look isi no ene NDC end ni ye adenti na o say isi ni NDC end ni ye ibusa no say no wo ho no mo no hu say noma bi ekoso ema the leader then Radio Matununu Emma Neti say easy boss na nkasa age atomo say de omode aba no ansem omne ne ka no ogitum say yes omode o na nso some nso consult the presidential candidate then and the petitioner na omu nyina hu ha wo mesi atna sa George no ma yibi in fact because of ebuo ene gidia na NDC agency strong room ho na ewo jemensa mu nti no ema omo truly cause omo kwakobo President Mahama amane obi anso edi ho adanse se na nye isi ho na jemensa na agency obebo baba no na ye International Conference Center media for more makoye ho ma e say de bia de ye no unfortunately because na adwempa bi woni timu nti no wa anya ne sa omo furu ho no mo na o ana nso ye enti we nyina ka ho bi ne ese da bi se sa na tie dia say ye de court na emra Ebisa de mensa say kwan a wode ye NDC for afa so no ye ntia se ntu woni ano
well
aside that and e make sure say okay if that is the case and no maybe we ho no ye contested e dey no man ye contest ye say onfa eye documents bi mra ne inspect eye enedie
yeah
yes the first application ba ko esa boy eye enra na ne ye chance eja ye bedi nkunim wo ho na nka court grant say yes application e dia ba no court agiatu unfortunately they ebusa say eye is madam no constituency collation results especially on the
original constituency
original
presidential election results collation
forms no no ye paid the original from the EC
Obama Dientina mo compare the original from the EC.
I would say normally the problem I say if he say the free the various regions has been tempered with.
Okay.
And therefore you need to deal with
all right.
But or no as the body by the constitution, the man who finds on also keep Ghana a jeopardy when it comes to elections, or no dear, power.
But Pacho, okay, I see Ketia, Emra or Kujina Dakam as a witness.
People trying.
Supreme Court decided say sir original constituency presidential election coalition form now more bisan.
Yeah.
More copies are now. As a prosecution witness, or can say yes indeed.
Yeah.
Copies or general secretary of the NDC.
Yeah.
And now Dr. Professor White.
Yes.
Ono na mbiji so a PW2 that's prosecution witness 2 or plaintiff witness 2 or okay. Also, to say indeed more the forms, more the copies of those forms.
Exactly.
It's more the copies of those forms. Now, Bibia Niwa, Ephraim, Bibia, which is a nephew Gabina Muhu, the Ekita Mono, dear, and the war easy for Hono. It's the same thing. You have the copy or more the original. Some more the copies of the original document. Why then go seeking for the original document? Because original document is copy no.
Good. The Maya the original copy from the EC. Nene say. Yeni Yohono. Calculation ni no Maya ye na trese. Calculation easy diabetu jana. And near the emfa. You feel say nsunsunie abem. And therefore, the only correction and I said the only truth a bit my abem ni say easy for present to omodie. Na yes so ye dia wono. Yes so be presented. Ni ya compare and contract. Ni a hwese actually dia ye wono eno ano na. Eno nti enne ye pay incidence omo famra after ye property ye dia. It one famra na che say ye ntimi enhwese. Ye bit me ahwe normal okura no then MPP for also omo council and so MPP for also omo there. They can also bring it out. Internet there per se. In order say be there chini and we say media 2, we say media 5 with ano channel you una we the EC and you have the original copies that you sign we are what my una what my no sign so dia my and na wo there wa fa wo there. Into the other my any ntimi go change no. At the end of the day no you have it there into when we compare you be difference Internet the person Ghana for whom the quarry woman say. Send this for interest yenya ABA 2 million vote. Let's say EC so say yenya ABA 1.5 million vote. The only difference will be that after comparing this document and no and ebema yehu and no so ebema yehu say ye shifia ye different coalition city different the 16 regions no eba ye no ye kura no pepepa na because EC am me kwan am me akonya am me na ntena am compare we inara before and start what make it
but sautie asiedu nkatia evidence now tie Dr. Kwesa White evidence unyi ni say ne ruling na Supreme Court dey by on the motion say mo pesa mo compel the EC mo say EC nanka papers bia mo say na the most original on kan famra no mo witnesses na agia to say more copies of those papers until now and never verdict na expected
I say minua wode ade ejame na ade a wode ejame no memfa nko akra nkoma wunua me de kokodu akra me de koma wunua na wunua na afro se dabi ade no a wode suma na asara bedi akode bae no ade no menhu yie enti se ka me nko copy a wo mo ho no mo a eno wodi bi ma ne so mfam na nka fabra na me nhwe se na asara bedi akoma mo de bae eye enu ana ana se wo ankasa no obetimi aka akere me se and no my divine a way name all can for one keke fa documentation a come on a fabake yasem is so simple oh yeah what to acquire and yan to chese a yanka easy emma normal e den be ye you are resemu pa say easy bonitrim ne botaye pan say abano obebiem na wasisien e de abano am a different person because a normal course ni na chese in fact oni ani
all right. But my main can't wait. I mean, if I win, try to answer my call. Doc. She say it's about 4 motions. Now, what they acquire,
exactly.
Ekoye pa. If you don't stress, someone prepare.
Baby, you prepare. I want to say, Emra.
And the motion is a very important motion for the plaintiff and or the petitioner's lawyers.
Yes.
But yes, a time and on time we now. Just the motion was not already laid and also creating problems for Mossad. And people feel said we are near Melkono on Judgment Day and here now Kuyama.
Baby, you are resuming say Bekoye. On said by law, me to me, and ran a dear man. Now me sure say a Koban say even say files that motion application that any year and Supreme Court cry any to me and discuss it. And to me, I think say a honour and yet because Supreme Court the man on the man. The moment and can be this our honor, commerce can even out before. But since our Omagia to me, it means that application is very relevant, and therefore we have to say discuss me argue and argue striking out say accept it. But to me, I think say since a Supreme Court jitu mu emma kwan emma yebobo hu argue on man take a decision no it means that we did things right.
Messi about a lot of questions popping up. Ibim crab she say NDC court na mo koye no. Muntimi nche Ghana for ade portin a court no enyema mbebese about.
Hello. 101.5 FM.